If your mugshot still shows up online when employers search your name, you're losing job offers before the interview, and here's how ReputationZilla removes it in 7 to 14 days. Here's the problem. That mugshot you thought disappeared is still indexed on 12 sites. Google yourself in incognito mode right now. Write down every site hosting your mugshot. Most people find 8 to 15 results. Send a formal removal request to each site within 24 hours. 40% of mugshot sites comply in 5 to 10 business days if you cite the right statute. You apply it for your dream job in 2026. The hiring manager Googles your name during the background check. Your mugshot from 3 years ago appears on page 1. Within 48 hours they ghost you. No callback. No explanation. This happens to 67% of applicants with visible arrest records. Even if charges were dropped. Even if you were never convicted. The mugshot alone kills your chances. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to scrub these records before they cost you the opportunity. Most people fail here. They assume deleting the arrest record from the county database removes the mugshot from Google. Wrong. Mugshot aggregator sites scrape public records daily and host copies forever. They are private companies, not government sites. The county has zero control over them. You need to target each site individually. With ReputationZilla, we submit takedown requests to all 15 major aggregators simultaneously, and follow up every 3 days until removal is confirmed. Step 1. Send a formal DMCA or GDPR takedown notice to each mugshot site. Most sites comply within 7 to 10 business days if you cite California Civil Code 1798.91.1 or similar state statutes. Include your case number, the arrest date, and proof of disposition like a court dismissal or expungement order. ReputationZilla handles this entire process for you. We know exactly which legal language each site responds to. Step 2. Request Google de-indexing for any remaining links. This is important. Even after a site removes your mugshot, Google Cache can hold the image for 30 to 60 days. Submit a removal request through Google's outdated content tool. Link directly to the now deleted page. Include a screenshot showing the 404 error. Google processes these in 3 to 5 business days. ReputationZilla monitors the index daily and resubmits if Google misses it the first time. Here's the problem. You're sitting at home thinking you handled it because the county expunged your record. But right now, 9 mugshot sites still host your photo. Employers see it. Landlords see it. Dates see it. Before applying to any job, you need every single result wiped from page 1. After step 1 and 2, your name search returns clean LinkedIn and professional profiles instead of a 3-year-old booking photo. Now here's the exact email template you can copy and paste. Subject line: formal request for removal under California Civil Code 1798.91.1. Body: I am writing to request immediate removal of my mugshot and arrest information from your website. My arrest occurred on a date, in county. Case number: your case number. The charges were dismissed on a date. Under California Civil Code 1798.91.1, I am entitled to removal of this content. Attached is my court disposition showing dismissal. Please confirm removal within 10 business days. Failure to comply will result in legal action. Sincerely, your name. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We send 15 of these per client and track responses in a dashboard you can access 24/7. Subject line: Formal request for removal under California Civil Code 1798.91.1. Body: I am writing to request immediate removal of my mugshot and arrest information from your website. My arrest occurred on a date, in county. Case number: your case number. The charges were dismissed on a date. Under California Civil Code 1798.91.1, I am entitled to removal of this content. Attached is my court disposition showing dismissal. Please confirm removal within 10 business days. Send takedown notices to all 15 mugshot sites within 24 hours. Request Google de-indexing for cached links after removal. Stop wasting weeks chasing sites. ReputationZilla handles it end-to-end. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete mugshot removal service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.